Hi guys, today I'm at a hospital to get my COVID test done. No, I'm doing fine, thank you very much. It's just that I'm traveling. We are traveling to Himachal. Though the Himachal government has lifted all the restrictions for COVID test or registering an e-pass online, the homestay that we are going to stay in, they wanted a COVID test. And for that, I have to get a COVID test done. I tried some of the Mohalla clinics in my vicinity, but being Saturday, they are closed today. Or one of the clinics is working, but their timing is 3 to 4:30, which doesn't work for me. So I have come to Shalimar Bagh, which is also not very far from where I live. And Shalimar Bagh has this Khosla Hospital, which is also called Maharshi Ayurved Sansthan. And at this hospital, they are doing free COVID tests. So I just came and I saw quite a few people waiting outside, but it's not a lot of people. I've got a token, so this token is my number, and right now they called number 10. I think my token says 46. So there's going to be some wait, and I thought maybe I can just make a vlog out of it and keep our friends updated on what we are doing these days. For COVID test, you need to come with your Aadhaar card, and I've got my Aadhaar card with me. And how I got to know about this testing center was I googled up for free COVID tests in Delhi, and then the search result took me to Delhi government's website, which is called Delhi Fights Corona, and Delhi Fights Corona has listed the testing centers based on the area. So my area is Northwest Delhi, and I could see quite a few hospitals and testing centers were mentioned there. And Khosla Hospital was one of those, and not very far from my place, so I opted to come here. Apparently they are testing only 50 people per day, so I was lucky that I reached on time, and my number was under 50. A lot of people who are coming now are not getting any tokens because they're already given 50 tokens, so I'm going to be the last few who are getting tested here today. Looks like there's still some waiting time, and I started early without having breakfast. I'm very hungry, so I figured out there's a market in the vicinity, and so I got some juice and cookies here. Good way to kill time. They are sending people inside the hospital in batches of 5 so as to maintain the physical distance even inside the hospital. I'm finally inside the COVID test center, and I'm the first one in this queue of 5 people. First step inside is to show your Aadhaar card and provide basic information like name, address, age and phone number. So my Aadhaar verification is done, and I'm now going to first floor where they will be taking the swab for corona test. I'm the next one in the queue for corona test. There's a medical practitioner who takes samples of nasal swab from inside a hole cut in a plastic curtain. Once again, we salute all the corona warriors and their relentless commitment to their job. I'm a very positive and optimistic person generally, but right now even I am clouded with a lot of confusion and questions in my mind. What if my test comes positive? Where will I quarantine myself? How bad could it be? And whatnot. But my train of thoughts came to a halt as a swab entered my nose. It feels weird, but it lasts just a few seconds. I have to stay still so that the test can be done properly. Thank you. So I got my test done. What I got done was a rapid antigen test. Mostly they are doing rapid antigen tests, but if you are recommended an RT-PCR test by any doctor, or you can consult the doctor inside, and if he, based on your symptoms and condition, if he advises a full RT-PCR test, then you can go for that as well, and both the tests here are free. So this rapid antigen test that I went for, I'll get the report within 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll wait outside the hospital and get my report today only. Just like they are sending people inside in batches of 5, they are also getting their test results out in batches. They hand over the test reports and also announce if the person is tested positive or negative. My rapid antigen test for corona report is here, and I am COVID negative. Here's the report. So, guess I'll be traveling to Himachal. I'm relieved that I got my report negative, but also feeling sad for people who tested positive. But the situation is improving and the fatality rate is decreasing by the day. Change is the only constant, they say. I'm sure this coronavirus situation will also be behind us very soon. Till then, stay strong and stay safe. See you in the next video. Do like, comment and share this video. Subscribe to Delhi Fundus on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram.